Hello everyone, welcome back to another card opening here on Simon's Card Hut. My name is Simon and today we are going to be opening a box of Weiß Schwarz, Avatar The Last Airbender, the latest set for the English version of it. So without further ado, let's dig right in. So Avatar, for those who have not seen it, go watch it. It's one of the better shows. Even though it always sparks a debate whether it's an anime or, dare I say it, a cartoon. So we have a box topper, as far as I can see. A chibi Katara. Very cute. Let's put her aside and let's start opening the packs. They are 16 packs with, if I recall correctly, 9 cards. Yes, 9 cards. Let's see what we can get. We have an upper, a chat, lots of known characters, Toph. We have Iroh, the Dragon of the West, for our rare. And we have Space Sword for our climax. On to the next pack. Let's see what we get here. Aang building a zoo. My Betrayal. Aang protecting Ba Sing Se, Tui and La. We have another Iroh T server for our rare. And reunion with the group for our climax card. On to the next pack we go. We have a Toph Melon Lord. Aang Firebending Misfire. And we have a Katara and Aang reciprocated feelings. So I'm gonna sleeve that one up. Quite a nice foiling effect actually. Very cool. And let's continue with a Katara experienced fighter and Frozen in action. On to the next pack, where we start with the Firebending Misfire Aang. We have Hammer the Bloodbender. We have Azula, Verge of Insanity for double rare, which I'm gonna sleeve up in a second. And Zuko and Iroh, Forgiveness for our rare. Really cool effect with the foil. And Failure to Protect. That was in the Desert Library. For those who have watched the show. And on to the next pack we go. Guess we shouldn't talk that much about the show for those who haven't seen it, which might still be a few. We have a Sokka in Fire Nation disguise. Aang and Katara expressing affection. Then we have Zuko Crossroads for our double rare. Gonna sleeve that up in a second. And we have Ty Lee, Popular, for our regular rare. And then Space Sword again. So let's lift it up and open the next pack. Unfortunately, there are no signed cards in this set. So yeah, there's only cards which have like the elements stamped. So we have a Katara, no chance given. for our rear here. And then a falling out as our climax. So let's move on to the next pack. We once again have the expressing affection pair. We have upper ready to fight. Yep. Which is also what we have here. And then a vengeful Katara. And an invention, the invention of metal bending. Okay, let's continue with this one. Manipulated chat, high society Katara, the importance of forgiveness, and we have a moody Mai for our rear, and then reunion with the cube. We already know that one. On to the next pack. Where we start with Mai and then have Momo, who is very lonely. Then we have a sleep deprived Toph and a high society Toph for our rear. Then we have siblings Agni Kai for our climax rear. And then we frozen in action for our regular climax here. We start with Katara in Fire Nation disguise. Iroh leaves from the wine. We have the lost Appa, once again, Tui and La. We have Zuko and Aang, the dancing dragon, when they learned the firebending. Well, the original firebending, I guess. And we have an energy bending for our climax card. Then we have a bloodbender again. We have Aang learning avatar state and Zuko on the run. And of course, as you all know, there's no war in Ba Sing Se. On to the next pack. We have an Appa ready to fight again. We have a Toph, the blind bandit for a double rare. Gonna sleeve that up in a bit. And we have, the reciprocated feelings again. So 4 packs to go. Let's see if we can pull something nice in those packs. Hopefully we can. We have a Sokka, warrior of the Southern Water Tribe for our double rare here. So I'm just gonna sleeve that right now. And then we have Toph metal bending for our regular rare, and again the space sword. 3 packs left to go. And we start with a Momo, Winged Lemur. We have an Iroh leaves from the wine. We have Katara saving Aang for our double rare after he was hit by the lightning. And a Suki Kyushi warrior for our regular rare, and the failure to protect we already know. 2 packs left. We have an Aang building a Su, a T-Wisdom, healing lessons, and Sokka offering different perspectives for our rare, as well as the falling out once again. So last pack. Let's see if we can maybe get something good with the last pick. We have an Ang Wavering Confidence. We have a Ko, the Face Stealer. Healing Lessons once again, and Ang Blending In. And a Spirit Water. So, this was the card opening of Weiß Schwarz Avatar, The Last Airbender. Hope you had fun. If you liked what you saw, please consider leaving a like and subscribing. And I will be seeing you at the next one.